Yes.
Okay, then let me start my screen share, and then I'll explain you the basics of things. So, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for the confirmation. That's okay. Let me just turn on my PPT. So, this course, as you know, this course is front-end development course, and here we have React as our front-end library. We are going to use React as the tool to become a front-end engineer, or else you can call it front-end developer. So this is me. I will be your instructor for this course, and this is an introduction session where you will be getting a basic knowledge why I should choose web development, what is actually web development, and why should I go with front-end role. Okay, these basic questions will analyze why, what, and how. All these three questions we'll see in details. Let us say why you should choose this front-end developer, why and what is this exactly, and how we should proceed with this. These three questions basically I'll answer. Those who are like already aware of these things, please make note. This is for the beginners introduction. You will get to know in detail course afterwards. So with this note, let us start. So agenda. With the front-end developer, what comes to your mind? Or else when we say the word developer, when we say the word developer, so developer means one who develops something. Okay. So there are different kind of developers that we'll see in the next slide. But before becoming a developer, what we develop or else what we do different kind of developments are there. You can say app development, web development, and different iOS development, and also desktop application development. Different kind of developments are done. So what is this development means? We do have different kind of platforms where we do need to run our softwares. So this course mainly focus on web, web part. Okay, you should know what is web. So if I ask you what is web, anyone can answer this question. What is web? What do you understand by thing when you listen the word web? Anyone?
Any website?
Yes, it's a website.
Yeah, like when I have request for some data, then you have go for the Chrome browser and
Yes.
like insert the link and go for the website.
Definitely. Great answer. So many things can be added to your answer. This answer is what you say 80 to 90% correct, but more technical things to be added there. So web, most of us, I say 99.99, normally not even 1% is left, are daily utilizing web, right? We are daily using webs. So
Yes.
another question I'll ask, what is a website then?
A
Simple question. What
collection
is a
of
website?
web page.
Yeah,
Collection of web page.
collection of web page. Great.
Mm.
Website is a collection of web pages. Simple. So if I ask you, can you give me some examples of some websites? Some basic
Uh,
examples.
E-commerce website, Amazon,
Amazon is a
Flipkart,
website. Flipkart.
and
Facebook.
Facebook,
Wikipedia.
and
Correct.
Doodle,
Correct.
Wikipedia.
Doodle,
Correct. And Miso.
Miso. And
Correct.
then
Doodle.
Correct.
Zomato.
Doodle is also a website.
Rapido.
Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Rapido.
Correct.
Good. So in every domain, we do have different kind of website players. Okay.
This for
We
this.
daily use these websites, right? There are lots of websites, millions and billions websites are there. So generally, these are the what you say common websites which we daily use: Amazon, IRCTC, train websites, and all these things. So we need to understand how a website is developed. What are the different type of developers are required to make the website? What are the tools and things we require? and how do we set up those things. So
Two types,
yeah, you will get to know in
static and
very good.
static and dynamic.
Yeah, they are type of websites, but here it is type of developers. Okay,
Front-end developers.
Front end and back end.
great. So let's see
Mhm.
what is this web. Web, you can understand this is like a collection of websites and everything you have just mentioned. So let me move forward. This is what you say when I asked you how a website works. Then everyone stated, like one person of you have said me that, sir, when I use my browser and then I hit a request to the server and then server gives me the website. So this is a what you say generic and pictorial representation of what you just said. Just here two things to pay attention. What we call when we hit some or when we use website, the word technical word is called client. We use client to access our website. Client can be any browser. It can be Chrome, Opera, whatever you use. It can be a mobile app also, and it can be
Microsoft
anything
Edge.
else. Okay. So client is something which we use to access our website. This is a client. And then what client will do? It will request something. It will request. Please mute yourself. When you have doubt, you can unmute. Thank you. So we have a client. What the client will do is client will hit a request and the request will go to the server part. And what server will do? Server will do some processing. Server will do some processing. After this processing, server will send the website to the client and client can see the website. It is in technical term called as response. I am just writing RESP, that means response. So this is how our website works. We have a client can be any Chrome browser, then client will hit a request, it will go to server will process the request. Okay, server need to do the processing and after server processes it will return a response. So this is what you say how the website works, or technically you can call this structure is called as client
Client to server.
server architecture. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is what the how the website basically works. We do have, normally we call it as request response cycle. A client is there, it will do the request, it will go to server will send the response and client will view the things. So this is how we call it as a client server architecture. I hope I am clear with this basic definition, what is client server architecture and how does it work.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then let me just move forward. Next question was how many different type of developers are there? I just one person of has answered me, that is there are two type of developer. What is front end? And there are two type of, one is front end and second one is, you can say this is one
Backend.
and this is two back end.
Back end.
Very good. So if I say what things you need to become your front end developer, let us say I want to become a front end developer. Okay, then what are the things I need to learn?
HTML, CSS, jQuery, JS,
Java.
React, Angular, JavaScript, all
Okay,
this.
all right. So
Python.
I hope these things are listed here. So to
Python is
become a
for
front-end
backend.
developer, you need to know HTML, CSS, JS. What you say? These three things mandatory, star marks. Other things optional. Okay, these are optional. Here the things will go keep changing. React is there, Vue is there, Angular is there. Different languages will come and go. But basics should be clear. What is the basics? HTML, CSS,
HTML, CSS,
CSS,
Java.
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Three things to become front-end developer. You can say these are our alphabets, A, B, C, Ds to become front-end developer. I call them as basic lessons you should know to become front-end developer. So next, if you want to become a back-end developer, then what I need to learn? You need to learn any programming language.
PHP,
Any programming
LSP,
language. Not all, any
Python,
programming,
Java.
anyone.
Yeah.
I say anyone. You can learn Python, you can learn Java, you can learn Node.js or whatever. Choice is yours. So the next question comes to my mind is, sir, I become front-end
Sir,
developer. Sir.
front,
What is my role? What is my role? And sir, what if I become a backend developer? What is my role? Anyone has the answer?
sir, front end developer, HTML,
yes,
CSS, all.
Front-end
Okay.
developer is
Front-end
considering
learning by HTML, CSS, JS, all
front-end developer is
even
consistent.
Okay, your answers are like
Front-end
front-end developer
developer
needs HTML, CSS, JS, backend developer needs Python. These are the tools you require. These are just tools. What do you say? Tools.
Front-end developer is basically designing the web pages,
Very good.
presentation of web pages,
If
and
I say UI UX,
UI UX, user
very good. This is the
interface,
UX, UI
and
UX, and here it is called as business logic.
yes, sir.
Okay. So for
Database.
front-end developer, we do have something called as UI UX. That means how the website is looking, the look and feel of the website. Normally, the look and feel of the website is designed by front-end developer. And here, how the website works or the functionality function of the website is defined by this backend developer. These are what you say basic role. If I become front-end developer, I will work on the look and feel of the website. If I become the backend developer, I will work on the how the website works or how the website functions. Just the basic understanding of the roles, right? So let us move forward. So normally, if you want to become both, let us say if you want to become front end and back end, then we call the person as
stack,
full stack developer.
full stack
He
developer.
has both the skill set of, let us say it is front end part, and here we do have something called as back end
Backend
part.
part.
And if I add front end plus back end, we call him as
Full stack
developer. Very good. So this is what you all need to understand. There are three roles in web development: front end, back end, and full stack. Front end role will work on the UI design and look and feel. Back end developer will work on the functionality, logic, business part of the things. If I have both the skills, then I can call myself as
Full
a
stack.
full stack developer. Very good. Very good. So let me just move forward. These are like what you say, basic understanding of basic editors. Different kind of editors are there. You can take your choice, but my choice of code will be VS
Visual
Code.
code. Yeah.
Okay, there are different editors normally. So let me just move forward. So what is our learning path? Okay, so this course is mainly designed for our React part. Okay, this is React Developer Bootcamp, you can call it as React Developer course, you can call. And the journey will start from here. We'll start with our basics of HTML, move towards CSS, then we'll go towards JavaScript. Then, before going to React, what we'll do is we'll just complete these parts. What is these parts? This is our Bootstrap, jQuery, and Tailwind.
JavaScript.
Tailwind.
ये
After
सब पूरा
this,
बता दूं सर को टाइम कर सकते नहीं
yeah.
सब सर ये सब बता दें पूरा आपको टाइम कर सकते हैं सब पहले पहले बोल दे रहे हैं सुन तो है नहीं सर
Okay. ठीक है ठीक है. Others, please like mute. When I ask questions, just unmute yourself, please. Thank you. So just let me just again start. So learning path is very simple. We are going to start from our basics of HTML. Then we'll go to CSS, that is our styling. Then we'll go to our JavaScript, that is our logic part. So this completes our basics of things. Okay, this completes our basic things. And then we'll move towards these additional parts, like you can call them add-ons. It is our Bootstrap, jQuery, and Tailwind CSS. We'll just understand how they work and make our life easy. And finally, we'll cover the real game. That is our React JS. Okay?
React, yes.
That's why I keep it this in between. So we'll learn this, and then we'll combine both the knowledge to become this React developer. Then you can call, finally completing this, I am a React developer. Or else you can call, sir, I am a front-end developer. Okay. So this is our learning path. Sir, is this so enough for us to do the things? No. Normally what we do is we learn the things. Let us say we learn HTML, we complete one project. We learn CSS, we'll do one project. We learn JS, we'll do one project. We'll learn these two, we'll do one project. And we'll learn this and we'll do a project. How many projects we done?
5 plus
5. And combining all these things, if you are interested and we have got enough time, then we'll complete 5 plus, means one more project combining all the skills. So this is what you will ultimately get from this course. The duration is 2 months of this course, and then you can just split it from here. This will take around 1 month, and this will take 5 to 6 days. If I just do the rough calculation, this will take around 20 days or so. Normally 1 month and 1 month this way. Okay, so this is what we have our plan for next. So this is what your basic understanding how the website works, what is our next structure, what we are going to do, how we are going to become a front-end developer. Like we started from why is web development important, because millions billions of websites are there are a lot of things, and how by following the path from html css js, all those things. Now if you have any questions, just you can raise your hands and I'm open to questions. So this is like an introductory sessions. So not much is involved here. So just basic things. What is development? Why should we learn it? And how we should proceed? These are the three questions I answered in this small thing. So anyone have any questions? Just let me know. I'm just stopping the screen share, and you are free to
What is
ask.
what is
Sir,
your
what will be the language that we are using in the backend side, like Python or Node.js?
In Python, we are just using the backend APIs from the Node and other API structures. We are not actually this course is front end
Like,
bootcamp, so
no,
you will
no,
not
I
get
want
the
to ask, like,
backend.
what will be the language that we are using in backend with React?
We are not using any backend language here.
Okay, like we are only working for front end, right?
Yeah, this is like I hope when joining we started with front end development bootcamp or React bootcamp, not for backend.
Okay,
But we'll
okay,
basically know how to just create a basic server. Okay, you will know basic
okay,
server
okay.
creation and call the APIs. That will be
Ah,
done.
sir,
Yeah,
how
sure.
many charges you,
How many?
matlab, uh, how many charges I want to pay this course?
I didn't get. Sorry. Can you just type it off?
मतलब आप इससे पूछते नहीं कितना चार्ज पे करना है?
You need to ask the sir. I am the faculty here. So about the fee structure, I am not aware. Thank you. You can ask any technical questions. What is the course? What are the projects? All these things I can clarify you. Other things you can ask in
नहीं,
the group.
actually I want to
what is
run
your
on.
develop
Sir, actually I want to only run the create portion, not all estimate CSS page
So like these are
JavaScript.
the basic foundation, right? You cannot directly jump on React. If you have basic knowledge, then you can work on projects. Like both are interrelated. If you cannot like it will be a recap of the things. You cannot directly
Because
go to JS and React.
I want to know all the things, but I'm not free to handle React. I want to run the React only.
your screen is not visible to
I
me?
have stopped the screen share. It's a Q&A session. It's ended with the like we are ended with the demo
Okay,
session.
sir. I understand.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Sudhir. Yes,
Yeah,
Sudhir.
actually, I want to know like what kind of project we have to done, like five plus project you are telling in the session.
You want to know about the projects?
Yeah, yeah.
So like Sudhir will start from the basics, like from your HTML, we'll do one project like kind of your resumes things, like which will boost your resume. Then we'll update the things using CSS. We'll make a landing page, and then we'll proceed by making kind of e-commerce type of structure in the React JS. Like you'll be having 5 to 6 projects which you can showcase in your resumes for the future jobs and all.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Understood.
Thank you.
Hello,
So like yes.
sir. I have best knowledge HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Sir, I am currently working e-commerce site. Some
Okay.
mistake. Hello.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Finally, I have best knowledge HTML, CSS, JavaScript,
Uh-huh.
React JS. But
Okay.
currently working e-commerce site.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
उसमें some mistake little then like filter, how to select categories, how to select searching वगैरह. तो
Mhm.
yes, So doubt clearing session I want. How many time? Yes.
समझ गया। तो मतलब ऑलरेडी आप वर्क कर रहे हो रिएक्ट में और इसमें।
ये यस सर।
तो
सर
आप
मेरे
सिर्फ
ई कॉमर्स साइट मैंने कर रखी है, मेरा वर्क चल रहा है उस पर सब कुछ। बाकी पेमेंट प्रोसेसर, सिलेक्ट प्रोसेसर, मेन जो लाइक मेन वुमेन होता है ना, सिलेक्ट करने के लिए मेन
समझ गया।
प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट होते हैं, वुमेन
हाँ
होते हैं।
समझ गया।
देन उसमें यस
फिल्टर
ये वर्क चल रहा है फिलहाल।
फिल्टरेशन
हाँ
फिल्टरेशन अप्लाई करना है।
यस ये फ्रंट एंड डेवलप।
तो मेघना समझ में नहीं आया, सॉरी।
सर उनको फिल्टरेशन अप्लाई करना है कि
हाँ
जैसे
वो समझ
मेल
गया।
पे सिलेक्ट करे तो वो मेल आ जाए।
नहीं नहीं उसका
ये
वो
सिर्फ मैं
क्लियर है।
एक्चुअली कंप्लीट हो चुका है मेरा, मैंने कर लिया है।
Any your project this side? Any your
यस
project, any your project this side? आपकी कोई साइट होगी ना जो बनाए होंगे आप?
यस यस
कौन सी साइट है जो बनाए हैं?
ई स्टॉप
स्टोर।
शालम त्यागी डॉट नेटलीफाई सर।
यस थैंक
Sir, I might personally contact. Yes. WhatsApp link share. WhatsApp.
You are already in the group.
Yes.
You are already in the WhatsApp group.
Okay. Okay. I am sharing link this project working. Currently working. Yeah.
Like you are working on a personal level or for any company or something.
Okay.
So just for your clarification, those who are like working on projects, assistance will be like guidance will be given. But normally this course will take you like basic knowledge. Like if you have the good knowledge, then great. But those like all will not have the same knowledge, right? So we need to start from the basics. Then we'll raise our level because many people are coming from different backgrounds, not from direct CS. So they need to understand HTML, CSS. Then only they can take up the React course. So we split it in the two months part. Normally you need to learn for this way, right? Directly one person from EC or something, I cannot teach him React. I think you understand the complexity there.
Okay.
So this like we need to follow a systematic process because others also need to follow up with the same thing. That's the main answer for this. So others, any question?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes, Ravindra.
Sir, I completed MBA in 2012, sir.
You completed MBA
In 2012.
2012. Okay.
Yes, sir. So I'm eligible or not, sir, for this course?
Ravinder, like eligibility is like learning is for everyone. You are eligible to take the course. You can learn and then you can apply for the software jobs if you are interested. You can. Choice is yours.
Okay.
Eligibility is there is no eligibility. If you are 10 plus pass, like programming, everyone is learning. So if you are 10 plus, then eligibility is there. No issues on that.
Okay,
Sir,
but 10 years gap. Hello, sir.
Yes.
But 10 years gap, there is no issue.
Gaps like you need to fill it with the like if you are working with somewhere else you can just keep that things there, and like if you want
Okay,
to just start with your software career, then you can just say I worked in this years but I just want to switch my uh, stream to the software industry kind of.
Okay,
But
sir.
you
So
need to
I'm
cover, right?
eligible, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, this is a front-end developer.
Yes. React developer.
Okay, fully front-end developer.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ravindra.
Hello, sir. Sir, hello, sir. Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
sorry, this is online or offline?
This is I think both mode, online and offline.
Both.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And now placements provide?
No, I'm not aware that much about things. You need to just connect with the sir in the group. You can ask these details, the structure and others.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, backend and front end. Sir,
Yeah, Rohit.
sir, backend and front end, sir, why any one language? Yeah,
In
any other?
backend, there are a lot of languages. For front end, you need to learn three ABCDs: HTML, CSS, JS, mandatory. But backend, like if you learn one programming language, that is enough because you can complete whole work in the one language and one DB. So one database
Any
and one language
any
will be enough.
sir, any Python is backend?
Any
Sir,
Python,
Sir, yes, sir.
like you can learn with Python, PH, other different things are like there for this.
sir,
There is
have
no.
we made a
Sir, anyone if you other backend?
We go with Node. If we are building servers, we'll use Node.js there.
Yes.
But if you want to learn Python separately, like only Python course, there will be like 1 month or something. You can just inquire the thing from the
Sir,
group. Like so,
anyone, man?
If
uh,
we want to go
mostly
with Python with Django, then
excuse,
So mostly anyone must Python is learning.
you can
ex-
just it's a separate course. Yeah, Mega.
uh, sir, लाइव प्रोजेक्ट है जैसे हमने बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं, ये रियल टाइम पे मेरे को लाइव प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है। तो लाइव प्रोजेक्ट किस टाइप के होते हैं? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन मी?
Actually, sorry, Mega. Like I'm not able to grasp what you're saying. You can just type in the message, please. There is a chat option there.
Yeah, sir. This is Somshekhar.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. I am Somshekhar. Sir, as I
Yes.
am using Mac, so
Okay.
is it useful to coding?
Everything is useful. No issues on the machine, Mac, Linux, and Windows.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And it's is a full stack developer.
It's a front-end developer, React developer mostly.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Hello.
हेलो।
Yes, Ram.
सर, मेरा है ना सी एस एस जावा और एचटीएमएल हो गया है, तो मैं एंगुलर बेस्ट रहेगा रिएक्ट रहेगा सर?
Sir, आपके capability पे both are good. If you can learn both or anyone you are interested in. React is easy. Angular is a bit larger than React. So decide
ओके।
like you can. Angular
सर
is a
मुझे
full
Hello.
framework. Okay. Angular is full
Sir, any
framework.
all language is the best.
Sir,
Sir, any all language in the best in one language.
sir, best depends
सर
on the
वी
use case.
हैव डू वी हैव एंगुलर कोर्सेस?
You just inquire with the team, like who has joined you in the group, right? They will able to guide you. I think we do
Okay,
have.
sir. One more doubt, sir. If I have to do only React, then what will be the timing? When you
Sir,
are going to do with the
may I
CSS
audible?
basic knowledge for other students? Okay, I have to join only React.
See, only React. How can it possible? If you have like a basic answer for this is like I there are 30 students, only 5 or 6 know the basics. So
Yeah, sir.
I cannot neglect 25, right? So just you can do the simple projects with them and
Sir, may I
you learn on
audible?
React.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
you are.
Do you, sir? There is another doubt, sir.
Yes.
Do we have job assistance or guarantee?
Sir, I'm not aware of this. I'm just a faculty here. So I just teach course, technical knowledge. I can assist you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, may I audible?
Yes, you are.
Sir, I want to learn how to make a live project. मुझे लाइव प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना है, तो वो कौन कौन से लाइव प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं? आई डोंट नो, मैंने रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करा है।
Okay,
लाइव पे
you want to do a work on real time project, right?
यस, रियल
Okay.
टाइम प्रोजेक्ट तो बनाए मैंने।
Real time, like how many projects you made?
जैसे मतलब सिंपली लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, इवेंट
Okay.
मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, उसमें मतलब पूरी फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड दोनों,
Using which
बैक एंड से
languages?
भी फ्रंट एंड डिजाइनिंग भी की है और डेटाबेस से कनेक्टिविटी भी चाहिए मैंने
Like using which language? React से बनाया या फिर कौन सा language से?
मतलब PHP से भी डरा है और HTML CSS जेटरी जावा सबसे किया है
अच्छा.
बूट स्ट्रैप तो
Okay.
मैं तो लाइव प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना है तो वो कैसे होता है
So live project like when we generally do it for any client, then we call it as a live project because
हाँ
like
नहीं तो आई वांट टू नो कि वो लाइव प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ से मिलता है एक्चुअली अब मुझे ये सब चीजें आती है मैंने नेट पे थोड़ा बहुत मुझे पता है कि उस पर
okay,
जैसे क्या काम होता है एफ.जे.एस दाना इंडस्ट्रियल से टोर होता है इंडस्ट्रियल एचटीएमएल उसको फिर डॉल किया जाता है तो इंडस्ट्रियल से रिटर्न रिटर्न होता है एंड एफ.जे.एस अपना कंपोनेंट होता है उससे अपन रिटर्न करते हैं जो भी
okay,
डॉक्यूमेंट डिटरमाइन बाय एपी से रहते हैं वो
okay,
चीजें
okay.
आती है सर मेरे को
Hello,
हेलो
Mega. So like I understand your
I
queries. Like
I want to yes I want to run सीधा मतलब लाइव प्रोजेक्ट पे कैसे काम होता है एक्चुअली
uh,
सर I have no experience but सब बोलते हैं एक्सपीरियंस ही है वो एक्सपीरियंस कहाँ से लाए आता सब कुछ है पर एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है बोलते लाइफ पे काम किया है क्या पर मैंने तो नहीं किया है तो आई वांट टू रन द लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट
मैं समझ गया. So Mega, like one thing. We do have a small issue. We do have a limited time now. You can just like I'm sharing my WhatsApp number. If anyone interested, contact there. Okay, or else you can just message in the group. And secondly, for your answer, Mega, like live project is nothing but it's a project, same project like event management, student management. Some persons are using that we call it as live project. कि भाई मेरा प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है दूसरे लोग उसको यूज कर रहे हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं लाइव प्रोजेक्ट और कुछ मतलब नहीं है इसका. लाइव प्रोजेक्ट
बस
मतलब
सर नहीं
दूसरे यूज करते हैं.
एक्चुअली यस आई नो दैट सर वो बोलते हैं ना कि आपकी वेबसाइट हुई नहीं तो
हाँ.
आप यूआरएल
Then
बताओ
you need to
तो
then you need to host the things, right? You need to host the things on the
नो
cloud
बट
or what.
आई नो दैट पर मुझे होस्टिंग का पार्ट नहीं आता तो मैं फिर वो उसमें रह जाती हूँ कि मैंने कभी होस्टिंग नहीं किया है आई डोंट नो
It's
द
a very basic thing. If you just listen few classes or something, you will be get to know these things. Just a basic part, nothing else. Like if you do 90% of things, so 10% things will make the difference.
एक्चुअली आई नो दैट द डॉट कॉम से अपन डोमेन लेते हैं पर सर मैंने कभी लिया नहीं है मैंने कभी
Then try
होस्ट
it.
नहीं करा है
Then you can give it a try. Okay. Any other questions? Anyone? I heard some others also have questions. Please.
सर सबसे बेस्ट लैंग्वेज कौन सी है
Rohit, इसका आंसर है whichever you prefer or which is easy to you. Generally, example,
सर
one example I can give you. Best language is what
यस
like what you want to build. Let us say if I want to do data analysis and all those things, I'll not prefer Java because it's very bad. I need to write a lot of code. If I prefer Python, there good. Let us say I want to build a something J2E application, then I not prefer Python there. I'll prefer Java because it has all built-in features. So best
सर
language is
जावा
what
सर जावा
based on
सर
what you
जावा
need.
एंड पाइथन सर जावा एंड पाइथन सर इजी
मैंने
जावा
easy नहीं बोला, मैंने
एंड
बोला
पाइथन इन
use.
इजी सर मैं पूछ रहा हूँ सर इजी कौन सा जावा या पाइथन
Python easy है basically.
यस सर
So best language depends on what is your need. You are standing in front of a let us say Chinese person. You know English, Telugu, Tamil, but what is the use? You cannot communicate. So best language which suits your purpose. If you want to develop an iOS application, then You cannot use C, C++. You need to know Kotlin or such kind of languages. Okay. For iOS,
Yes.
we need Swift language. So, what is your purpose? What you are doing on that thing? Your language will be decided. You cannot say, sir, I learned Python. I will do everything with Python. Or else I learned C. I will do everything with C. Not possible.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think this answers the question. Best language on what is your use case? You want to become an Android app, then you cannot make Android app using C, C++. You need to go with Kotlin, Java, so on. Others, any questions, please? I see two more hands raised yet. Sudhanshu Kumar and Shah Alam Tyag. You have any questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
please.
sir. Sir,
No,
I can join after 2 months.
no. In 2 months, the course will be completed. See, it's just a refresher. Those who are thinking, I know C, HTML,
Okay,
CSS,
okay.
just a basic refresher.
Fees submit,
In
sir.
like in 3 weeks or 4 weeks, we'll be completing these things and we'll be moving towards React because React is most time taking there. Okay,
Yes, React timing I can join.
the classes will be only same time, or else if anything is updated, we'll let you know the batch timings.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
sir, sir, please give me one
Which
number.
program having more jobs?
More jobs, if you have skill set, everything has jobs.
Okay, sir. Which more jobs, sir, comparing with Java and Python?
If you see the trends recently, like I cannot say about future, but last 1 year trend is like React.js is offering more jobs than these all
Okay, sir.
things.
Sir, please give me one number.
I already shared the number in the chat.
सर एक्चुअली सर मेरा 12 तक होने आता तो आपका नंबर चला रहे हैं मैं सेव कर रही थी तो वो नंबर चला
Okay,
रहे
I'm
हैं
again sharing.
ओके थैंक यू
Okay, any other questions, please, Rohit, Ajit?
Sir, Python completed there were 1 month and या फिर 2 month.
Python cannot be completed in 1 month or 2 months. It depends what you want to learn. Python with ML, Python with DS, Python with
Yes, sir.
all the things. So basic Python completed in 1 month, basic plus advanced 2 months. Python with data science 4 to 6 months. Different depends on your learning speed plus what you want to learn.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes,
I want to become Android web developer. Which language best?
for Android development, you need to go with Java or Kotlin.
Okay, sir.
If you go with Java, there are multiple opportunities, but Kotlin only for Android.
Okay.
Sir, which day class will start, sir?
Sir,
From which day classes started, sir?
classes already started. You are on the day zero. Tomorrow, day one.
Okay, sir.
Day zero
Timing, sir?
introduction. Timings like we'll let you know in the group, WhatsApp group.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Others, please.
Okay, sir.
I got few questions in the chat. Where to apply jobs for freshers? If you are in college, campus placements, or else there are multiple websites you can search, and mostly go to the official websites of the company where you want to work and apply for there. Most used way. Don't go with this like some telegrams and all these things. Try with the official things. Any other questions, please? If not, we can wrap it up. There is no answer for this. You need to keep trying. Update resume, keep trying. We cannot like no predicted way, because if you see, there are lots and lots of resumes. Let us say you can also see the I can give you one basic example. Imagine like you are hiring for a job opportunity, and then when you open the form, job openings, you will receive 5,000 resumes or so, mostly. Then how you will filter out the resumes? The same problem companies filling. They have something called as ATS or anti resume or something. There is a in between software. Your resume need to go through that system. Means your system is firstly checked by computer. If the computer rejects, it will not go forward. So just make sure your resume is perfectly aligned, perfectly having the keywords, text words, all the things. Then only you can. Because no human intervention is there at the start. You need to just what do you say? Your resume must be selected by machine first, then a human. So make sure while designing your resumes. Okay.
Sir,
Sir, this is
मेरा
Hyderabad,
बस
sir. Institute. Hello, sir.
Yes, Ravindra.
Sir, this is the Hyderabad Institute, sir.
Yeah, it is Hyderabad.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Others, I think there are no more questions. Thank you.
Sir, your location in the institute.
Sir,
Sir, your location in the institute.
my location in the institute.
Yes, sir.
No, I come to institute at the class time and not at the institute always. All the locations and everything you can just text in WhatsApp. You will get all replies. What is the institute location? What are the courses they offer and all things. Okay.
Class run by sir offline and online.
You can just check with them once.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
I
sir.
feel that no more
Thank you, sir.
questions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.